Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 5 how to post a photo to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need for this tutorial is the iPhone itself, and then we need to have access to the Instagram application. And now we can click on the Instagram application itself, make sure that we are signed into the account, and now to post a photo we can click on the square with a plus sign inside it, and now we have the option to post a photo, have the photo cropped or the original photo. For this tutorial we will crop the photo, and now we can click next, change the contrast, different filters, click next again, and now we can type into the caption computer science videos, my photo computer, and now we can press OK, tag people, add location, post to your other social media websites, click on share. The photo is now uploading to Instagram. The photo has been uploaded. Go to the profile, and now we have the photo posted to my account. Go back to the home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.